Hello everyone, it's AI Rav back with your weekly plug for everything blazing hot in the world of AI, tailored just for business owners. And last week, we had some massive product drops. We had billion-dollar raises, and a video AI showdown that's heating up fast. Let's jump in. First up, Microsoft is making some serious moves. Now, most people may not remember this, but last year Microsoft announced a feature called Recall. It takes snapshots of your screen every few seconds and lets you search your entire digital history just by typing what you remember. It sounds powerful for productivity, but it's also raised some major concerns. People were worried it might store sensitive info, like passwords or private messages. Microsoft responded by making Recall completely opt-in. All the data stays local, and you can block it from recording certain apps or websites. Now let's talk about Microsoft Copilot Studio. It just got a major upgrade. It can now browse the web on its own using your computer. Think building agents for market research, data entry, even building workflows without you lifting a finger. Next, OpenAI went all out with 3 major rollouts. They launched GPT-4.1, a model that can now handle 1 million tokens. That's over 3,500 pages in one shot. If your business deals with long documents or complex reports, this update is a big deal. They also introduced new mini and nano models, small enough to run on phones and smart devices, but smart enough to help with everyday tasks. It makes AI more affordable and way more accessible. But here's the twist. Their newest models, O3 and O4 mini, are also showing some personality. They're smart, but they're hallucinating more often. Some tests show up to 48% factual inaccuracies. On the other hand, some academic experts are even calling OpenAI's O3 the first glimpse of jagged AGI. Human Rav will break that one down in a separate post soon. Stay tuned on jagged AGI. Chewum. Meanwhile, Ilya Sutskever, the co-founder of OpenAI, who left OpenAI last year, has raised $2 billion for a brand new company. It's called Safe Superintelligence. No product has been launched, but it's already valued at $32 billion. With funding from Google, NVIDIA, and some of the biggest names in tech. Only in AI, folks. Speaking of NVIDIA, they're building the backbone of AI right here in the US. They've announced a $500 billion investment over the next 4 years. That includes Blackwell chip production at TSMC's new Arizona plant. And while this definitely reduces dependency on overseas manufacturing in Taiwan, but NVIDIA still leans heavily on TSMC. Now let's talk video AI. Kling 2.0 is leading the race. It's outperforming Google's Veo 2 and Runway Gen 4 in turning images into videos. Human Rav even used Kling to animate his 3D avatar. You can see it featured across social squares, blogs, and branding. And creators? They're already 3D printing those animations and turning them into merch. That's a whole new product and business model in motion. Next up is Claude by Anthropic, which just got a huge upgrade. It integrates directly with Google Workspace, so Gmail, Calendar, Docs, all synced. Human Rav connected it to his Gmail. Claude analyzed his tone of voice across emails, accurately calling out how he writes differently to clients versus internal teams. Speaking of AI doing your work for you, check this out. In a recent Bloomberg article, the CEO of Otter.ai, Sam Liang, introduced an AI-powered digital clone of himself called the SamBot. It attends meetings for him and can even contribute to the conversation. Liang believes AI avatars like SamBot will soon be normal in meetings where CEOs can't make it themselves. Now, that sounds super efficient. Human Rav believes that AI twins will become mainstream as well, but while it boosts efficiency, it also opens up questions about authenticity and leadership presence in the workplace. One more bonus before I go. At TED Vancouver, a humanoid robot named Neo1 just kicked off his founder's TED Talk. Yes, a real robot. On stage, talking. Check out the full video link in the comments. And that wraps up your AI business news flash for the week. Let me know which update hit home for you. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more real AI updates that actually help you grow your business, follow Human Rav, like this video, and hit that bell icon. I'll see you next week.